am so mad at myself, y'all. I had a whole video for y'all. It was like only 10 minutes, but I had a whole video that I was supposed to post today. Today's the 17th. I missed Vlogmas Day 16, right? Okay, hold on. Let me talk to y'all real quick. It's kind of dark. So, how in the world? Yo, I'm so mad. I can't get that video back. Ugh. So, I missed Vlogmas Day 16, right? Missed Vlogmas Day 16. I recorded the start of the snowstorm. I recorded my journey to work. I recorded when I got, I know I had a 10-minute vlog for y'all that I was going to post today, the 17th, for Vlogmas 16. So it would have been Vlogmas 16 and 17. And the video is gone. I took my time. I edited it. And I even fell. I bust my ass walking to the car. I fell. I had all of that on camera. And it's gone. It's gone. Yo. I guess it wasn't meant to be to embarrass myself. Because y'all, the whole video is gone. And I know you'd be like, oh, just go to recently deleted. Once I click delete, I go to recently delete and click delete forever or delete whatever it says. I don't hit recover. So, anyways, it's Vlogmas Day 17. Forget Vlogmas Day 16. I'm super annoyed. So, it's currently 2 o'clock, a little after 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm at work, and I just was like, let me come to the car because I'm just so annoyed and I'm frustrated. I just want to go home and I want to sleep. And how can I be so stupid, boy? Like, I'm annoyed. Like, I had good footage. And it is gone. Only hearing? Man, listen. Anyway, I can't dwell on the past. So we're in the middle of a snowstorm. New York is in the middle of a snowstorm right now. It started yesterday, December 16th, probably around 4 o'clock. A little after 4, around 4 o'clock, I would say. So by the time it was time for me to leave and go to work, I closed the door behind me. I had this cup in my hand. I had a shovel in my hand. Also, my phone in my hand, trying to record. And I guess, all these stuff in my hand. I was trying to be careful, but I still ended up and slipped down the stairs. Well, slid down one, whatever. Y'all gonna see if I decide to upload the video. And in 3, 2, 1. Nah, I don't think so. I don't think y'all ready. Because y'all gonna laugh. Y'all gonna laugh at me. Alright, for real, y'all want to see the video? And in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let me stop playing with all y'all. Here's the video.
Oh no, oh no, oh no.
yeah, so that happened. And I can't believe I have to tell the story when I had a whole video of what happened after I fell. Like, I had a whole clip. Anyways, so I got in the car. I sat in the car debating, like, yo, like, I don't even want to go to work anymore. I just fell. My butt hurt. And, okay, whatever. So I'm driving 20 miles per hour. I'm not going any faster than that. Even though with the Jeep, you have the option to put it on snow, which I did. But I don't care if this Jeep could drive in snow, mud, what did it say? Snow, sand, mud, or rock. Hello, I don't care. 20 miles per hour. It's been a long time since I've driven in snow. Last year when it snowed, I didn't have a car. I wasn't driving. Did it snow last year? I don't know. But the last time that I remember driving in snow, the car that I did have, I ended up skidding. Like, I was driving and my car was going like this. Like, it was going like slanted, and I had to catch myself. And then I almost had to park the car too and just be like, I'm taking public transportation. I'm going straight and the car is like, whoo, and I end up like almost in the opposite direction. So I didn't want that to happen again, even though Jeeps are meant for driving in these types of weather, but I'm not taking any chances. So 20 miles per hour it is. I guess I can show you what the weather is looking out outside right now. So it's 3:30 and it's still snowing, and sanitation just keeps putting it back over by me. snowstorm is still happening. It's 8:38. My hand has like frostbite, I think. This shit hurts really bad. Because, you know, well, if you don't know, I don't like gloves, I don't like scarves, but today would have been, today would have been the perfect day for all of that. And, you know, y'all probably saw earlier, I was really mad that I lost the footage, and I was going to try to see if I can, I really can't see out my back window. I was gonna try to see if I can get it back. I watched a YouTube video. Oh shit, I skid in, boy, I skid in. Hold on, take it easy. Okay, yeah, so I watched a YouTube video, but a lot of people in the comments said that it didn't work, so I'm not really banking on that right now. So obviously if this video is posted, that means I wasn't able to retrieve the video, but it is what it is. I can't dwell on it. And you know, oh wow, how am I supposed to pass? I know this is not gonna be the first time that I lose footage or whatever. You know, I had, you know, watch other YouTubers, and they be losing SD cards, their whole camera and everything. So, you know, it's the first video I lost, and I know it won't be the last. So I just gotta be more careful of what I delete now, because normally, honestly, I don't be deleting shit, okay? You ask me, I don't be deleting nothing. But because I save all the videos and stuff, my storage is really, really, really full. And look at this one here. Come on, man. Any fucking way, boy. Then if I run you over now, it's my fucking fault, right? Shit. Oh wow, my backup camera has two icicles. But yeah, so I can't really focus too much on that. Like, it is what it is. I lost the footage. There's nothing I can do about it. And I definitely put on my Instagram that Vlogmas is canceled, but thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I think I'm done with Vlogmas, honestly. So I think I'm gonna take a break and figure out the storage situation on my phone. I need a new laptop, but the laptop that I want costs like $1,400. So let me get all that situated, and you know, I'll be back when I'm back. And I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas with me, I guess. I don't know, I might be saying all of this and I'll post a video tomorrow, so, but if I don't, it's 50-50, it depends. But if I don't, thank you guys so much, and keep sharing my content. Thank you guys for the support, and you know, every like, every comment doesn't go unnoticed. I love all y'all. And yeah, I'll be back before Christmas. You know, I'll be back before Christmas. But